3 Poplight design features that just make sense. This is Poplight. Poplight is a wall light my wife and I designed. It installs on your wall in seconds. You just have to dance about it sometimes. But back to Poplight. The first thing about Poplight is the base, and as you can see, the base has a built-in level. That's one of our favorite features. That makes it super easy to install Poplight right the first time. You really can't mess it up. The other thing is the cutaway on the base for the double-sided sticky tape. This means you won't see the tape when Poplight's installed on your wall, and when you go to remove the base, it won't leave a mark. Let me show you what I mean. So you just use the built-in level to get Poplight perfect on your wall. Very easy. I'm doing it with one hand. It's so simple to do. Push down a little bit on the tape, boom, stuck to your wall. And if I did want to remove Poplight, let's say I'm moving or I feel like redecorating, you just pull down slowly on the double-sided sticky tape. And Poplight removes from your wall without leaving a mark. That is very easy to do. You also have to dance about that. Then, there's the way Poplight installs on the base. You just swivel and click. That's the easiest way to install wall lighting maybe ever. But our third favorite feature is that there's a removable USB-C rechargeable battery pack. The battery comes with each Poplight as well as this color-matching charging cord. And the reason why the battery removes is that you might not always have an outlet near your Poplight, so you can pop out the battery and charge it wherever you do have an outlet. Or leave it plugged in. I don't have an outlet near this one, but whatever. And now you know